closing the lights and turning and closing the windows whenever we put our head on the pillow. That's basically the idea. We used light sensor, weight sensor, LEDs, and servo motors. We also approached the idea of having the safe in the room, and we used buttons to open the safe.
Hello, I'm Ramdan. I'm going to present to you our project, My Smart Room. Here, I would like just to clarify that we're having these two servo motors modeling the windows in a room. This LED modeling the room lights, and this motor representing a safe in the room. So why a smart room? Well, we're trying to make the room as smart as possible. So you don't have to turn off and on the lights using your hand, but we're trying to make the room as smart to detect that you want the lights off and lights on. And you want the lights, you always turn the lights on when there is no daylight at night, or when you're going to sleep. So to detect both situations, we're having a light sensor and a force sensor. The light sensor detects the light intensity, and since the daylight intensity is way higher than this room's intensity, the room lights are lit. However, we will be using a flashlight to model the sunlight, our daylight. So if you can see here, when we use the flashlight, the room lights turn off and the shutters opened. And when it's night time, the shutter is closed and the room light opens. However, what if you want to sleep? When you sleep, this force resistance sensor will be put under your pillow. So when you put your head on the pillow, the room lights turn off and the shutters stay closed. What if you want to have a nap in the middle of the day? So it's the middle of the day and you want to have a nap, so the shutters close, and you have a good sleep. So basically you don't have to get up, turn off the lights, oh I forgot to close the window before I sleep. It just does that all by itself. So to open the safe, we have two buttons here, an open close button and a reset button. And these buttons represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you could just think of it as a pattern, a clicking pattern that you would use to open the safe. So to open the safe, you click on the open button for some time, and then you enter the password or the pattern. There it goes. It opens. To close it, you click on the open close button again. What if you enter a wrong password? Let's see what happens. Let's think of it like clicking on this button for some time. Nothing happens. It doesn't open. It stays closed. What if you want to reset the password? You click on the reset button and then enter your new password or pattern. Let's try opening it. See? Closing it again. So it worked. Now my friends will represent you the connections that we did in our project and how we connected stuff together. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Nadin. I'm going to show you how we connected all the resistors and the sensors in the hardware.
So to start
start off with the light sensor. It's connected to a resistor that's 10K. They're connected in series. As you can see here, the resistor is connected to the sensor and is connected to other node that is connected to a pin in the board to be able to put input and stuff. The other side of the resistor is connected to a node that is connected to a node here in the breadboard that is connected to a node here in the Arduino board to the 5 volts. And then we have the other side of the resistor is connected to the ground here in our board. The same thing is applying on the weight sensor. It's connected to a 10K resistor. They're both connected to a node that is connected to a pin in the board. And then the other side of the sensor is connected to the 5 volts, and the other side of the resistor is connected to the ground. So here our LED is connected to a resistor that is 330 ohms, and they're connected to a node here that is connected to the board, the 5 volts. And the other one is connected to the ground. The other side of the resistor is connected to the ground. So now my friend is going to show you, my friend's name's Sandy. She's going to show you how the buttons and the motors work.
Okay, so I'm going to talk about the servo motors and the buttons that we use for the safe. First, we connected the motors. It had 3 pins. One is connected to the ground, another is connected to the 5V, and the third one is connected to the board, to a pin in the board so that we could access it. The 3 motors are the same, so the 3 are connected in the same way. Now to the buttons. We connected the buttons all in the same way. One with the ground, all of them, and the other is connected to a pin in the board so we can access them all.
This is the end of our project. Thank you for watching.